Get Heart Smart with University of Maryland, Baltimore, Washington Medical Center. A heart murmur is the sound that you hear, an abnormal or unusual sound that you'll hear when you're listening to a heartbeat. So if you put a stethoscope on a patient, you're listening to a heartbeat, you might hear a swishing or a whooshing sound. And some people are born with heart murmurs, and some heart murmurs are harmless and don't cause any problems. Yet other heart murmurs are signs of heart valve issues and can need further intervention, like a heart valve replacement, or could be it's the backflow of the blood that you're hearing, and so you could need a heart valve replacement or repair. The most important thing to know about a heart murmur, I guess, is to know if it's something that you've had, if it's a newly diagnosed thing, to get an ecocardiogram or further follow up to make sure that it's not anything serious, and to know that they're not all serious and they're not all harmful, and they don't all require further intervention. Sometimes it's something you just need to have follow up, whether it's every year, every 6 months, just to make sure that it's not changing.